Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python set collection, which is a unordered collection of data. So first of all, what is this set in Python programming? So set is a unordered collection of data in Python programming. So coming to some technical points related to the set, it is unordered collection of elements, and set elements are unique, no duplicates. If we add duplicate elements also, it will take only one unique last added element. It will replace the previous one. Set elements are mutable, which means that we can modify them, update them, or delete them as per the requirement. And set does not provide indexes to its elements. And set values are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas. For example, set1 in curly brackets 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Next, set days in curly brackets Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And set is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And very important, in set, order of data or collection is not preserved. Now set does not have indexes, so the best way to access the elements of a set one by one is through loops. For example, for x in set1, so one element from the set will be assigned to x, and then we can process that using print x. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, Python set example 1. So take a new page, first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking set 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 in curly brackets, print set1 type of set1. Right. So let us execute this till here. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run it using py command, Python set example 1. So order is not preserved, 33, 22, 55, 11, 44, and it is of type class set. So next let us take duplicate elements in the set. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, and again 66, 11, 22. So it will take only the latest value. It will replace the previous one. So set with unique elements, no duplicates, and order is not preserved. Next, let us take set of days. So set days Monday to Sunday. Print set days type of set days. So order is not preserved. We got Saturday, Monday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It is of type class set. Next, let us process the elements of a set using a loop. So for x in set 1, print x. One element from the set will be assigned to x, print x. Similarly, for x in set days, print x. So you will get all the elements in different lines. So 33, 66, 22, 55, 11, 44 using for loop. Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Monday, and Saturday. So next, let us take set with combination of different type of data. So set to 11, 22.5, true, high, 5.6j, integer, float, boolean, string, and complex number. So print set to type of set2. So save this and run it. So this is a set with a different type of data. Order is not preserved. It is of type set class set. Next, Let us create a set using set method. Right. So we'll do all cases one by one. So I'm taking set3. So set conversion method. So for this method, I'm passing string hello as input parameter. So HELLO. Individual characters will be converted into set elements as string. Print set3 type of set3. So save this and run it. So OELH. So double L, duplicates are not accepted. It is of type set. Next, another set conversion function. Put comment for this one. So set3, set of, I'm passing list 11, 22, 32, 11, 22. Okay, 11, 22. I'll take it as 33. Again, 11, 22. So here you will get only 3 elements, 33, 11, 22 as a set. It is of type class set. Next, set3, I'm taking a tuple in circle brackets 99, 88, 77, 99, 55. So that tuple will be converted into set 88, 99, 77, 55 in curly braces, no duplicates. Next, set3, set of, I'm taking another set as an input parameter. So another set will be converted into current set, set3. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, no duplicates. It will take 10, 20, 30, 40. Order is not preserved. 40, 10, 20, 30. It is of type class set. So here we can use set conversion function to create our own set from other collection or collection of data. So this is how we are supposed to work with set collection in Python programming, which is a unordered collection of data. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.